I have to raise the issue again this evening about the atrocious state of Jamaica's football surfaces. Again, because they remain a disgrace in a country where we claim to have ambition in football. Now, during one of my previous rants about the importance of the playing surfaces for every aspect of Jamaica's struggling football product, from the development to the marketing of the game, the Maverick got a call from a government representative who gave an assurance that plans are well advanced to tackle this chronic problem, and that the rescue and repair of some facilities would be done on a phased and strategic basis. That was about 2 years ago. Well, it looked like breeze blew over the strategy and the phase. Oh no! And again, we're not asking for milk and honey. Just give a little lemonade. Even 3, 2, even 1 world standard surface, and the Premier League clubs to have even half decent pitches. This is not rocket science. Even with the obstacles that are in the way, the water and the irrigation issues, we are saying, despite all the hurdles, what is missing in this process is the will and the intent to fix the football pitches. And it's because football still a play and the league still a one and the odd player is still getting contracts to play overseas. They must say, what's the fuss about? Well, the fuss is still about the disgraceful state of the football pitches in Jamaica.